Welcome back! The video today will be structured into two parts. First off, the theoretical one, followed by a practical look at our own now launched pool. To get all information, make sure to watch till the end. There are usually 5 things you want to look out for: the pool fee, the payout fee, the minimum payout, the pool space, as well as the pool type. Since running a pool costs money, there will always be a pool fee. Usually it's between 0.5 and 5%. And that amount is being deducted from your farming rewards and directly paid to the pool operator. The payout fee. Some pool add a hidden payout fee, which you don't see at the beginning, but can get around in the end. So make sure to look out for that. Third, the minimum payout. Since it would be unwise for a pool to pay out every little fragment a farmer gets once a block is farmed by the pool, your account is credited with the coins you would earn until the minimum payout is triggered. Just then you'll get all the coins that you have earned into your actual Chia wallet. In order to get your rewards often, you should probably go to a pool with a small minimum payout. Fourth, we have the pool size, or hash rate, and it determines how often a pool farms a block. However, in a big pool you won't farm more, since in a smaller pool you'll get rewards less often, but therefore much bigger, due to your percentage part in that pool. Which brings us to the last point, the pool type. Most Chia pools will probably incorporate PPLNS, which basically says that once a member of the pool farms a block, therefore the pool farms a block, the reward from this block will be shared between all members according to their space and time. So before deciding on a pool out there, make sure to check out those 5 points and compare them for each pool. But now on to the interesting part. Taking a look at those 5 points we've just talked about at our own pool, since we have set up a special website for our early birds. First point, the pool fee. We have a pool fee of 0.25%, which is extremely low when talking about pool fees. And since we guarantee that this is the total fee, so the only fee and there won't be any additional costs or payout fee or something else, you can check point 2 as well. The minimum payout is usually found under the frequently asked questions tab. In here we look for the minimum payout or a payout schedule or something like that. Our payout schedule incorporates a minimum payout of 0.02 Chia coins. And on Little Farmer's Day, Sunday, only 0.07 Chia coins. That way, even very small farmers will get a weekly payout. On to point 4, the pool space. Since the official chia-pool protocol is not yet out, this pool space is just an assumption based on the members that already claimed their reduced fee. Those 2.3 petabytes would translate into a block being farmed every day. And last but not least, the pool type. We will use PPLNS as well, but I'll spare you the details, you find them all in the FAQ. Those are the parameters you usually want to compare the pools by. And obviously bring your common sense, since a pool with a true 0% fee won't exist. You might find pools with a temporary 0% fee, like for the first 4 weeks, but after that it might jump up to 1 or 2%. Since for joining an official Chia pool we have to plot all plots new, it might easily not be of your long-term interest to have a pool fee of 0% for the first 1 month, since you're still plotting all the time in the first month, and then pay a higher fee once you have completed all your plots in the second or third month. Back to our pool, that's why we offer 0.25%, but for a total of 6 months, so you can calculate with it. To claim that reduced fee, just click here, enter your Chia receival address, you'll find it in here in the GUI, and please write down this address, since you'll need it to later on activate your reduced fee, and enter your estimated space. Submit, and afterwards you can take a look at your wallet, type in your wallet address, and see that you have claimed the reduced fee. Furthermore, you will be capable of changing the amount of space you plan on farming with in here. Of course, this reduced fee is only an offer, and you can choose another pool at any given time. Securing yourself this reduced fee is in no way bound to actually pool with us. However, I firmly believe that with the features we have up our sleeve, as well as you comparing us to other pools, you'll soon find out that we are one of the best options out there. Now you might ask us one more question. What is the fee after those 6 months? And honestly, we can tell you. Not because we don't want to. We would. We are all there for transparency. But because we literally can't, since no pool running the official Chia protocol is yet running, and therefore the costs we have are still unknown. However, with those 6 months being so far in the future, I think it's not a point to worry about. And if we were to set our fee in 6 months too high for your standard, you'll always be capable of changing pools. That's the great thing about the official chia-pool protocol. Having said all that, I strongly recommend to you to claim your reduced fee now, and then, after having done your personal comparison of possible chia pools, come back and farm with us. Since you've made it to the end, I assume that you found this content interesting and would like to ask you for your help in showing other people who are still searching for a pool to find this video. You can do this really easy by leaving a like, a comment, or even subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more updates and Chia tutorials. All that would show the YouTube algorithm that this video is helpful, and therefore it would recommend it to other people as well. Thanks for watching!